Samsung has consistently set the bar high in the tablet industry, and with the anticipated release of the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, they are poised to redefine what a premium tablet can be. This upcoming device promises to blend cutting-edge technology with sleek design, catering to both professionals and tech enthusiasts alike. Design and display. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is expected to feature a 14.8-inch AMOLED display, offering vibrant colors and deep blacks. With a resolution of 1848 by 2960 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate, users can anticipate a smooth and immersive viewing experience. The device's slim profile and lightweight design ensure portability without compromising on screen real estate. Price update, +2. Smart Pre, +2. Smart Pre, +2. Performance and hardware. Under the hood, the Tab S11 Ultra is rumored to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, coupled with 12 GB of RAM. This combination is expected to deliver seamless multitasking and efficient performance, whether you're editing videos, gaming, or running multiple applications simultaneously. The device will likely offer various storage options, including 256 GB, with the possibility of expandable storage via a microSD card slot. Camera capabilities. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the Tab S11 Ultra's advanced camera system. The rear setup is anticipated to include a 50MP primary sensor and an 8MP secondary sensor, capable of capturing detailed and high-quality images. On the front, a dual 12MP camera setup is expected, ideal for high-resolution video calls and selfies. Battery life and charging. Equipped with an 11,800 mAh battery, the Tab S11 Ultra is designed to support extended usage, whether for work or entertainment. Fast charging capabilities will ensure that the device can be quickly powered up, minimizing downtime. Software and features. The tablet will run on Android 14, featuring Samsung's One UI 6.1 interface. This combination offers a user-friendly experience with enhanced customization options. Additionally, the Tab S11 Ultra is expected to support Galaxy AI features, providing intelligent assistance for tasks such as drawing, video editing, and health monitoring. Price update. Connectivity and additional features. Connectivity options will include 5G support, ensuring fast internet speeds for streaming and browsing. The device will also feature Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB-C 3.2 ports for versatile connectivity. For those who enjoy stylus input, the Tab S11 Ultra will support the S Pen, enhancing productivity and creativity. Pricing and availability.